Hello everyone, so in this video we will learn about nature of roots of quadratic equation. So let's begin our session with very positive energy. So nature of roots of quadratic equation. Before coming to the roots of quadratic equation, we must understand what is discriminant. What is discriminant? So discriminant is nothing but just a value which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now you will ask, sir, what is b, what is a and what is c? For a quadratic equation, coefficient of coefficient of x square is known as a. Coefficient of x is known as b, and the constant term in quadratic equation is known as c. So if for example, if I write any quadratic equation, let's say 5x square plus 6x plus 2, so coefficient of x square, whatever placed in front of x square, coefficient of x square is known as a, so a will be 5. Coefficient of x, whatever placed in front of x, so it is known as b. The value of b here is 6. And the constant term is that term which is free from any kind of variable, so the constant term is 2. Constant term is denoted by c, so value of c is 2. I think you are able to understand that what is a, what is b, and what is c. So discriminant is a value b square minus 4ac. For example, if I want to find the value of discriminant for this equation, so here a is 5, b is 6 and c is 2. So discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B here is 6 square minus 4 into a 5 into c 2. So 6 square is 36 minus 4 5 20 and 20 into 10 40. So discriminant will be minus 4. So now based on the value of discriminant, we decide the nature of roots. What we decide? We decide the nature of roots. Now based on the value of discriminant, we have basically three cases. The first case is if the value of discriminant is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. In that case, roots will be equal, roots will be real and unequal. So both the roots will be real. Both root can be plotted on the real axis, but roots will be unequal. They will not be same. So if one root is a, then other root will be b. So both root will be real but unequal. Coming to the second case, if the value of discriminant come out to be 0, that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. In that case, roots will be real but roots will be equal also. So if first root is a, second root will also be a. So roots will be real and equal. Coming to the last case, and b square minus 4ac less than 0. In that case, roots will not be real. Roots will be known as imaginary roots in that case, and roots will be complex conjugate roots. That means they will be imaginary roots, right? Now let us consider some example to see nature of roots of quadratic equation. So example number 1, if I write x square plus 5x plus 6. Now first of all we will find the discriminant for this quadratic equation. So we know that value of discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. In this case, value of a is equal to 1 because the coefficient of x square is 1. Value of b is 5 because coefficient of x is 5 and the constant term c is 6. So putting all these values in this formula, so a b square 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 6, so 25 minus 24, that comes out to be 1. So discriminant is greater than 0, d is greater than 0. So this is case number 1 because it is a positive value. So in this case, roots will be real plus unequal. That means we will have real root, but that root will be unequal. So let's verify. X square plus 5x plus 6, let's say equal to 0, and x square. So now find two number with product as 6 and sum as 5. So clearly 2 and 3 plus 2x, splitting the middle term, plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Taking x common here, so x plus 2, and taking 3 common here because 6 can be written as 3 into 2, so 3 x plus 2. Now taking x plus 2 as common, x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So first case x plus 2 is equal to 0, and second case will be x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from here x come out to be minus 2, and from here x comes minus 3. So clearly both minus 2 and minus 3 are what? Real numbers. Both are real number, and clearly both are unequal. Let's see example number 2. Let's say x square plus 4x plus 4. Now find two number with product as 4 and sum as 4. Clearly both 2 and 2. So x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So x square, taking x common, x plus 2 plus taking 2 common here, 2 into x plus 2. So it will become x plus 2 into x plus 2. So x plus 2 whole square. So putting it equal to 0, it will become x plus 2 is equal to 0, and x come out to be minus 2 and minus 2. So because it can be written as x plus 2 into x plus 2, so equal to 0. In both case x will be minus 2 minus 2. That's why I've written x is equal to minus 2 here. So clearly if we will check the value of discriminant, it must be 0. It must be 0 because both roots are equal and real number. So let's verify that discriminant come out to be 0 or not. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. In this case value of a is 1, b is equal to 4, and c is also 4. So now check the value of b square minus 4ac. b equal to 4 square minus 4 into a into c, that is 4. So 4 square is 16 minus 16, that is 0. So clearly the value of discriminant is 0. So from both the cases we can see that if a value of a discriminant is greater than 0, in that case root will be unequal and real. If discriminant is 0, in that case root will be equal and real. So let's check the last case. Now check, we will take example for case number 3. So 3, let's say the quadratic equation is 5x square plus 6x plus 2. So now in this case a is 5, b is 6, and c is 2. So first of all we calculate the value of discriminant. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac, b 6 square minus 4 into 5 into 2. So 6 square is 36 minus 4 into 5, 20 into 2, 40. So discriminant is minus 4. And we know that this is case number 3. If d is less than 0, in that case we will have non-real roots. Non-real roots, or we can say imaginary roots. Imaginary roots means that can never be plotted on real axis. And roots format will be complex conjugate. Complex conjugate roots. So let's check using Sridharacharya formula, that is value of x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus the value of b here is 6 plus minus under root the value of discriminant. This is value of discriminant. So discriminant is minus 4 upon 2 into 5. So this comes out to be minus 6 plus minus under root minus 4 by 10. Clearly we can see that under root minus 4 is not a real number, it is a complex number, and we can never plot this number on real axis. So this is the case number 3, where the discriminant values less than 0, roots are non-real or imaginary. Thank you students. Okay.